Hello. Today, my mom doesn't want to be on camera today, but, I'm not sure, I'm not actually Shorty. I'm sorry. But today we're going to do, another little unboxing video. I was really surprised when I got this. It's the Killer Klowns from Outer Space Spikey's hand puppets. And I've never ever seen these ever. But yeah, here they are. Cause we went to a Spirit Halloween yesterday, and I just wanted to see if they had new stuff, and then I found these. Yeah, I'm gonna go get scissors now, and we'll unbox this. All right, so I got scissors now. Let's unbox this. All right. Yeah. I do not want to cut the cloth on this.
Careful.
Yeah. Ah, Spiky. All right. Now that I got these out, here's the box. Okay, no one cares about the box. Now I have the puppets. I should probably take my gloves off. Yeah. Alright, the first one I want to try is the girl one. She angry. And now, the boy one. And if you're wondering what scene these little puppets originated from, it was like a little puppet show by Spikey right here. Alright. They work pretty good. Yeah. Now there's one thing I want to try with this. Shorty, can I have this? Alright. I don't want this to be a short video, so I'm gonna talk about like all my Killer Klowns Smash Space stuff I got last year at Spirit. So first, we got Shorty right here. My favorite animatronic from last year at Spirit. He was like about 200 and something. Yeah, but he was $200. My mom got him for me, and yeah, I love him. So we couldn't get him working, I don't know, but we will put a link in the description for the unboxing video for him. Yeah. And I want to try something else. Does it fit on a Shorty hand? I don't think it can, but we'll try. Alright, so I can't really, but it can fit on the 2 fingers. I have the slim wall plaque. I got this for Christmas, and I'm gonna do a little demo. That was a little demo. And then I have Shorty's little club. I used this for Halloween for trick-or-treating last year. because I was Shorty. And if you're wondering about my costume, my dad made it. It's from a Pikachu costume because you can see the brown lines on the back. We can't. Spirit didn't have a kid-sized Shorty in costume, which I was really mad. And they did have Shorty costumes there, but only for adults. But we had to make it out of a Pikachu costume. We used felt for the lines, the stars, and my dad sewed this collar. It has the little red pom-poms on it. So now I have the cotton candy gun or the balloon gun. Either or. If I got this for Christmas at I really wanted it at Spirit, but I remember one time me and my sister and my dad went to Spirit last year, and we were kind of gonna find the guns. They didn't have the guns, and then a worker told us that they did have the guns, but they had just sold out. So, and like, I've been really wanting to get this, and right, last but not least, we have the spiky side stepper. I did get this in stores. I was happy I found it, and his little demo. He's a little loud though. Right now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have you came across these little puppets? And which one of these were your favorite? Which one of these items were your favorite? And if you've seen Killer Clown Smash Space, we are friends.